Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you all?
Fine.
Okay. So, welcome to our education channel. Today we learn new topic of English. Okay, student.
Okay, teacher.
Now I am asking you some questions. Give the answer. Okay.
Okay.
Do you like to play
Yes.
games?
Yes.
Which game you play? Which game you play?
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek. Okay. Where you go for playing? Where you play the game?
Outside.
Outside, but where?
Playground.
In playground, in garden. Yes. So uh, there is a one cat who also like the games, and she also want to go in the garden. See the cat. She also like to play game, and she is going in the garden. But she is going in the garden by the car. Yes. See the car. Okay. This is the car, and cat is going in the car. Yes.
Yes.
Now cat ready for going. Now where is the cat?
In the car.
In the car. Cat is sitting in the car and going to the garden. Yes. So what is spelling of in, students?
I am in.
In, in, and cat is sitting in the car. Okay. So now what happened? Cat is going in the garden by the car, but cat is very naughty. Yes. And cat is naughty and she is running here and there. So our topic name is where is the cat? Yes. What is name of topic?
Where is the cat?
Where is the cat? Now where is the cat? Can you tell me?
In
Cat
the
is
car. The
cat
cat
is
is in the car.
yes, cat is in the car. Yes. Okay. Now cat is reach the garden and cat is where where is the cat now?
The cat is on the car.
Cat is sitting on the car. Yes. What is spelling of on?
On. On.
On on. Yes. First cat sit in the car. Then cat is going on the car. Sitting on the car. Okay. So what happened next? Cat is sitting.
The cat is sitting under the car.
Under the car. Yes. Cat is sitting under the car. See this. In this way, she is sitting under the car. What is spelling of under?
UNDER.
Under. This is the picture of
UNDER.
under. Cat is sitting under the car. Cat is sitting in the car. Cat is sitting on the car and cat is sitting under the
Under
car.
the
Okay.
car.
Now, where is the cat? Now cat is playing hide and seek game. Okay. So where is the cat?
The cat is behind the car.
Yes, backside. This is car and cat is sitting backside the car. Yes. So what is spelling of behind? Yes, tell me.
Behind. Behind.
Hmm. Cat is sitting behind the car. Behind means backside. This is the backside of car. Yes, this is the front side and this is the back side. Cat is sitting here, backside the car. Okay. So now, what happened next? Now, cat is sitting. Where is sitting? Cat.
The cat is sitting near the car.
Yes, near. Near means very, very less distance. Yes, close to the car. Cat is now close to the car. Yes, what is spelling of near?
Near. Near.
Near. Yes, cat is near to the car. Okay. Now, where is the cat?
The cat is beside the car.
Yes, beside the car. Beside means at the side of the car. Not to close the car, but it is at the beside of the car. Okay. What is spelling of beside, students?
Beside. Beside.
Beside. Beside. And now what happened? Cat is very naughty and she's playing near to the car and she is going. Where she is going? Far away.
The cat is
The cat
far
is far
away
away
from the car.
from the car. So students, we again see the where is the cat. Okay. So can you tell me where is the cat?
In the car.
Cat
In the
is in
car.
the car. Where is the cat?
The
Where
cat
is the
is
cat?
on the car.
On the car. Where is the cat?
The cat is under the car.
Under the. Yes, very good. Now where is the cat?
The cat is behind the car.
Behind the car. Yes. Now where is the cat? See here.
The cat is near the car.
Cat is near the car. Okay, where is the cat now?
The cat is beside the car.
And finally, where she goes?
The cat is far away from the car.
So in this way, cat is playing in the car and outside the car, running here and there. And again, she is going to house by the car. Okay. So students, I am showing you PPT. You tell me where is the cat. Okay. What is our topic name, students?
Where is the cat?
Where is the cat? Now you tell me where is the cat, which is we see in picture. Okay. Where is the cat? Can you make sentence?
Yes. Yes. The cat is sitting on on the chair.
Yes, very good. The cat is sitting on the chair. And what is spelling of on?
O and on.
O-N on. Very good. Okay, next picture. Where is the cat now?
The cat is in the box.
In the box. Yes. Cat is playing hide and seek game and she is sitting in the box. Okay, very good. What is spelling of in?
I N in.
I-N in. Okay. Where is the cat?
Cat sitting cat sitting in under
Yes,
the table.
cat is sitting under the table. And near the table also we can say near the table. Okay. What is the spelling of near?
Near. Near.
Okay. Where is the cat? Cat is sitting
Cat,
at the
cat
side of the
is
table.
side of table.
So which
Near
word we
the
use here?
table.
Beside.
Beside.
Yes. So what is spelling of beside?
Beside. Beside.
Beside. Beside. Okay. Where is the cat now?
Cat sitting on the chair. Sitting on
Yes.
the chair.
Cat is sitting on the chair. Where is cat
The,
now?
the cat is sitting
Yes.
under the table.
Yes, very good. Cat is sitting under the table. So what is spelling of under?
Under.
Yes, Under. Where is the cat?
The cat is near the table.
Yes, cat is near the table. So students, today we learn where is the cat topic and we learn new word also. So we repeat words again. Okay. So read words.
On. On.
On. On.
On.
Yes.
Behind. Behind.
Behind. Behind. Okay, very good. Behind. Behind.
Under.
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 Underground.
What is spelling?
Near.
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 Beside.
Beside. Okay, good.
Before.
Far. Now last word.
In. In.
So students, in this way, our topic is finished here. Yes, you understood the topic?
Yes.
Okay. So if you like my video, press the bell icon and subscribe our channel.